Dear friends, I am Najim Emilias. Today I am going to introduce you Ada Pradaman. It's a Kerala recipe. Normally this is serving in autumn season. So the main ingredients of Ada Pradaman are Ada, which is made up of rice. Normally rice is powdered and then mixed with water, making some kind of paste, and then making very lighter pieces of this, like in a kind of chapati kind of, like we can just say, like, and it will be drying and then crushing into small pieces. So that is Ada. It's a very dry item and it is the main part of it. So other things like normally we are using along with Ada and coconut milk, we have that other things like one jaggery we have to use, other things like we have to use kismis, then cashew nut, other things like cardamom, etc. Those are like some ingredients that is giving some spice or like some kind of additional taste and kind of stuff. Another one important ingredient for making Ada Pradaman is chawari. Chawari is to put in water sometime, like to make it more flexible. So you can just soak it for some 20 minutes. And that chawari you have to cook with the third milk. That is the first process. So let me show you that. Okay, so let's start with the preparation. First we have to prepare the coconut milk. So normally we have to grind the coconut, take the grind coconut, and then either you can use mixer to mix it, like maybe fine grind it, and then we can take it out, and then using some kind of small cloth, then we can just use it for squeezing it out with that juice. So if you want some small amount of water, you can add in that. Otherwise there is no necessity, you can just press it and take the juice out of that. So that is the first milk. So the residue is there. Take that residue in another bowl or something. Then add some more water in that, and again you have to squeeze that residue, and you will get to the second milk from that. So again you have to do one more time, same way the third residue will be there, and to add more water in that, like 3-4 glasses of water, and then again squeeze it out and then take the third milk. So now you have 3 milks available for your preparation. Another thing is, like, you have to get the jaggery, and that jaggery you have to crush into small pieces, or like any kind of grinding you have to do. Then add some water and boil it. So you will be getting liquid jaggery, and probably you can just remove if any stains or anything like that. You can remove that, and that is your jaggery ready for preparing this Ada Pradaman. So that's all the first step. Anyway, other things like you have to just powder this cardamom. Take 3-4 cardamom, then take the seed out of it, and then you can just crush and make small pieces of it, like fine grind or whatever possible way you can just grind it. Or how to add these things, those are the things coming. I'm just going to explain all.
We start with the preparation. First, I am using the third coconut milk, and in that I am going to cook the chawari. Now the chawari is almost half cooked, and so I am adding Ada. And to this Ada, I am adding the second milk. salt in order to cook the ada. A little bit of salt is enough to cook the ada. And I am mixing the two ingredients. We are supposed to add the jaggery after the ada is half cooked. It requires 20 minutes to cook the ada. Now it's 20 minutes over and the ada is almost cooked. And so I am adding jaggery. Half kilo of jaggery is required to cook on 250 gram of ada. And we are supposed to stir it well. Then only the jaggery will mix with the ada. Normally we use black jaggery, but I got only white jaggery. That's why I am using this brown white jaggery. Now I am going to add the cardamom powder, which is almost in a powder form. I have taken 6 cardamom. %75% of the ada pradhaman is now cooked. So let's add the first milk into this payasam. And please ensure that only cook for some time. You are supposed to cook only for a few minutes. Few minutes means for 4 or 5 minutes, because the coconut milk will get decomposed. Yes. Add some amount of ghee in a pan and then add raisins, that is kaju and kismis. Please close it. Please add this into this payasam. Now the ada pradhaman is almost ready. You can serve in a bowl. It's very tasty when it's cold. Thank you all for watching my video. If you have any queries, please do update in the comments, and you please try the dish at your home. It's very delicious and sweet dish. And do subscribe our channel Fantastic Videos for more videos and